Hey guys, what's going on? Pablo here, welcome back. So today is Wednesday. I made a video this past Sunday. So I'm gonna try to make this a quick and short video and show you what has happened and what is about to happen. So let's just dive right into it. So right over here is the access panel that I was talking to you guys about. Let me focus on that, sorry. There we are, that I was talking to you about because the hallway bath is behind this wall here. I think these were already in last time we spoke, or last time I made a video, I should say. Over here, the vent is now in the floor instead of it being in the wall. So I'm definitely liking that. We do still need to move this vent over here somewhere, wherever the island's gonna be. It's gonna be in one of the toe kicks. So yeah, this and this, I believe, was done last week. I can't really remember, maybe it wasn't. Light-wise, I'm pretty sure that all these lights were in. Fan boxes are now done for the two fans that we're gonna be putting in here. And as you can tell, it's actually pretty empty in here, right? Other than that over there, everything is gone. You have these doors taken out of the closet. And the reason being is because of that. So this right here is going to be the flooring that's gonna be going in here. So it's the same strip flooring that we have now. It is this right here. This is a white oak, which we're gonna be using throughout this whole space here. We are gonna be reusing this floor, so we're gonna sand it down and refinish it, but then that will be in the rest of it. We are also going to be refinishing these steps here and then the hallway up there to match this whole area down here. So with that, we can't be here for the next couple of days while they actually install the floor because we can't step on it, right? So to get to our bedrooms, we have to go up the steps. Those steps are gonna be getting done or refinished, I should say, so we can't walk on that. Sorry for my pup upstairs. So they're gonna start tomorrow, which is Thursday, and they'll be done by Saturday. So we're gonna be staying in a hotel room for the next couple of days while they get this done. I will most likely be coming back here during the day because I can be down in the family room because that doesn't, I don't have to step in. I can come in the back door and work down there as needed. So we're not out all day, Oslo and I, at least give them some sort of semblance of normality, even though for the last, 3 weeks, 4 weeks already, it hasn't been. So we will be coming back and forth, and I'm very excited to see what the flooring is going to look like when it's all done. But it's right there. Let's take a look at it. This is a white oak. It's a nice color though, I'm really liking it. I don't know if that's what it's gonna stay. I know they're gonna be putting some sort of finish on it, but I am liking it just like that. So I'll let you know how it comes out when it's all done, which will be on Sunday. And we'll show you where we're gonna be staying for the next couple of days when we get there. We also have switches finally here. I was using the app to control the lights, which worked perfectly, but now we do have a way of controlling them if needed via an actual switch. And these are the Lutron Diva dimmers, which are the new ones that just came out, I think, in the fall. So let me kind of show you what controls what. So this one right here is gonna be controlling the living room, the kitchen, and dining room. So these are on the same circuit, which is gonna be that room in there. When I have it in the app, I have 4 different rooms set up. The dining room, which are the 2 lights at the end by themselves, and the other 6 on the kitchen or in the kitchen. But here This controls both the kitchen and dining room, quote unquote kitchen and dining room lights. This one is going to be the foyer, which is this right here, the entryway, and this is going to be the upstairs hallway here. So you can see up there, doors are off, and I did not want to take all that stuff off. So we just put a plastic there to protect it from all the dust from the floors when they're working on them. We do have another set of lights over here. This here is a Lutron Diva dimmer, and these are gonna be the Pico remotes to be able to control the lights from multiple areas. So I'm gonna be controlling from here, over there, and then behind this wall here. So this one here is the living room, kitchen, dining room, and then the foyer. And lastly, out here, you're gonna have the outside porch light. All right, so that's all I have for you guys. I wanted to make this really short, or as short as I possibly can. It was a quick little update to what has, kind of happened this week. And when the floors are done, which we're super excited about, I will show you those as well. Next week, the cabinets will be coming in on Friday. Hopefully we can have them installed the week following or the week after that at the latest. So then that way we can get the countertop templating done for them to be able to get the right sizing on that and then come out and actually install it. And then we'll be on our way to a finally fully finished main floor. Quick update on the windows and doors that we're getting. We actually ordered them on Monday and they won't be in till May. So kind of unfortunate because we don't have windows. All right, so because we don't have the windows here, we're not gonna be able to do the backsplash until we get the windows. And then obviously the door won't be in until May. So that is slightly annoying that we're gonna have pretty much that wall looking like that from here up until May. We're January 20 something, so it's like 4 months, but it is what it is. At least everything else should be done. If you've liked this video, if you've liked this series of the mid-century modern main floor renovation, right? I think that's what we're calling it. Please give this video a nice thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. It definitely helps the channel out greatly. And comments, suggestions, questions, anything at all that you may have, put them down in the comment section below. Definitely love hearing from you, definitely love interacting with you. I'll put the links down to anything that I spoke about product-wise down in the description below for you to take a look at to see what it is that I am using for this particular renovation. And like always, keep on living a modern lifestyle through technology. Bye. Peace.